Are you looking for new building technologies to transform your home? Then you can't miss this video. We start with Connect, which provides a quieter and more aesthetically pleasing environment. It's applicable in residential, commercial, and industrial areas. Prefabricated walls can serve a variety of purposes, such as site planning, perimeter protection, security, privacy, and sound barriers. Unlike traditional fences and typical precast wall systems, these walls feature a unique textured finish on both sides. They're designed to stand out in any environment and in a variety of projects. High-quality engineering prevents the formation of cracks, ensuring a lifespan in excess of 50 years. They're resistant to rain, wind, earthquakes, termites, and rot, unlike other building materials. When compared to the cost of brick walls, these wall panels contribute to a 20 to 30% cost savings in addition to reducing construction time. Their unique finish makes them the ideal choice for a wide variety of projects. And the next invention you're about to see will also take your breath away. This is one of the top construction technologies you need to see. The spiral pipe lining completely rehabilitates deteriorated pipes without excavation. A continuous band of PVC is mechanically wound to form a uniform coating. Pipe damage can cause significant roadway damage, disrupting traffic and negatively impacting the surrounding environment. It is critical to repair pipes quickly and efficiently. Damage to storm drains can lead to flooding and irreversible erosion. Spiral lining offers a trenchless solution that can line your storm drains and correct the problem. With trenchless pipe repair, there are no additional concerns about environmental impact when rehabilitating storm drains. Clogged sewer lines, foundation changes, and unexpected grass growth are just a few signs of sewer pipe collapse. Spiral lining can repair the damaged pipe without unnecessary excavation. And if you're wondering how technology can improve the construction process, look no further than the next invention. The Uponor EcoFlex VIP Thermo and Aqua Solutions, known as Vacuum Insulation Panels (VIP), are part of the Uponor EcoFlex flexible pre-insulated pipeline. Thanks to minimal heat loss, the remarkable flexibility of the material, and its ease of installation, they are the fastest, most economical, and reliable way to carry out installations. Their outstanding features such as the corrugated outer casing, the PEX foam insulation layer, and the VIP insulation blanket provide an optimal solution for implementing more efficient distribution networks. These solutions find various applications, from the connection of the boiler to the home to the distribution of large district networks. The safe and efficient transport of supplies such as heating, cooling, drinking, and hot water, as well as other fluids in industrial environments, is guaranteed. And speaking of guarantees, the next invention is synonymous with quality and cutting-edge technology. This is an example of the future of construction technology and its impact. Building walls in the hot block system is the simplest way to carry out work in the construction of buildings. The main advantage of the hot block system is its fantastic thermal insulation coefficient, U equals 0.15 WM2K, which is sufficient for the construction of energy-efficient and even passive houses. The hot block system integrates all the expected characteristics that are generally considered mutually exclusive, such as insulation with resistance, water vapor permeability with frost and water resistance, moisture absorption with fire resistance. This is an exceptional combination of parameters in today's building technology, especially in the construction of single-wall walls. Building with the hot block system is one of the simplest and fastest methods of constructing walls. Thanks to the low insulation power factor, walls built using the hot block technique do not require additional insulation, which significantly reduces the construction time of the dwelling. Thanks to unique solutions, a house built using the hot block system is characterized by extreme heat savings. And of course, speaking of unique solutions, you can't miss the next invention. AquaDrain EK is an anti-capillary surface drainage membrane specifically designed for the application of exterior coatings on drainage mortars. Thanks to its unique mesh, full surface elevation, and high drainage volume, the system provides fast and immediate drainage. More than 100 times faster than drainage mortar or single grain alone, German Institute Kiel for Textile Construction and Environmental Technology (TBU) Greven, the anti-capillary function provides reliable protection. The laminated geotextile increases the overall coverage and ensures a high-quality long-term drainage function. It's the only fabric with proven long-term durability, researched by the German Institute for Materials Testing (MPA) Darmstadt. Tested to eliminate frost damage, efflorescence, and moisture stains caused by accumulated water, research conducted by the German Institute for Materials Testing (MPA Darmstadt. The fastest drainage of infiltrating water in the waterproofing layer. And if you want to know how construction technology is revolutionizing the industry, here's a look. The diamond pier system is a superior option. Based on proven screw pile technology, the diamond pier foundation uses the strength of a precast concrete head to secure 4 galvanized steel pipes that, unlike traditional concrete foundations, transfer the load to a larger area of undisturbed soil. Working like the roots of a tree, this screw pile technology is fast, smart, low impact, and robust. The piles can be installed in minutes, saving you days of labor, and there's no need to wait for a borehole inspection, as the pile length is simply checked with a tape measure after installation. The Diamond Pier Foundation has undergone years of rigorous third-party testing and ICC evaluations, and has been used by local, state, federal, and international agencies on some of their most challenging projects for over 25 years. Speaking of challenges, are you ready for the next construction innovation? Interested in construction equipment that needs to be seen to be believed? TerraJoint Strong is a high-strength system for concrete pavements, specifically designed to create free movement joints. This system includes extremely strong reinforcement edges, permanent formwork, and a load transfer mechanism. It's suitable for all construction techniques, whether for concrete pavements on foundations or on piles. In the category of prefabricated high-performance expansion joint systems for industrial floors, TerraJoint Strong is the industry standard. Its main function is to transfer vertical loads between adjacent slabs and minimize their vertical movement. This load transfer is achieved through the use of high-strength metal dowels that move within highly durable plastic sleeves. Cold-drawn metal rails provide permanent protection to the edges of the slab, making it the ideal choice for floors subjected to heavy vehicular traffic. Another one of those incredible construction machines and their capabilities, the Blue Line 2 Type 2600 sewer collection system stands out for its design, conceived without the presence of joints or welds. Thanks to its exceptionally strong static structure, this Blue Line 2 Type 2600 collection system can even be driven over by trucks, SLW30 load class. Its lightweight makes it easy to install. The tank has a 600mm dome opening and 3 110mm connections. Designed for cottages or homes that are not yet connected to the sewer system, this collection tank can be easily cleaned of fecal or sewage residue and then used as a rainwater storage tank. Manufactured in Germany, the Blue Line 2 Type 2600 sewage collection system comes with a 25-year manufacturer's warranty. This system is available in capacities ranging from 2,600 to 10,000 liters. 25 years of warranty may seem crazy, but not as crazy as the following invention that's about to revolutionize the industry. Another innovative design that saves time and money. Made from 90% recycled materials such as brick, stone, and drywall, the Q-Brick is unique in the marketplace. The brick itself requires no baking and uses no cement, reducing emissions to 1/10 of a traditional baked brick. In addition to being stronger, more durable, and lighter than standard bricks, it's more cost-effective to produce. Its versatility is highlighted by a range of colors not available in traditional bricks. The next phase for Q-Brick is to increase production and integrate its use more broadly. With the support of BEST, Kinotech has secured nearly £1 million in funding from the Circular Economy Investment Fund, managed by Zero Waste Scotland and funded by the Scottish Government and the European Regional Investment Fund. The first commercial production facility is already underway in East Lothian, with the aim of supplying certified bricks. And the next invention enters the top 3 of this video, so stay tuned to the end. A building technology you must see. MapeFlex MS45 is a solution that bonds and seals the most commonly used construction materials on dry and wet surfaces, even in adverse conditions. With elastic properties, paintability, and fast drying, MapeFlex MS45 is available in white, gray, brown, and black. This product is unique in the creation of elastic joints and seals. It has a remarkable initial suction effect that facilitates adhesion to vertical surfaces and ceilings. Its high elasticity makes it ideal for sealing joints and cracks in walls and floors. It's compatible with wet substrates during application and can be painted after curing. It has excellent aging resistance, is solvent-free, odorless, and has a very low VOC emission. This hybrid elastic sealant and adhesive, which can be overpainted, has excellent adhesion properties, even to wet or submerged surfaces. Primarily used to seal joints in facades, roofs, floors, joinery, doors, and windows, it's compatible with a wide range of building materials, including some plastics. It's also approved for contact with drinking water. Reshaping Plus is a solution that ensures the highest quality protection and sound insulation. The company continues to expand through innovation and new lines of efficient and sustainable products, consolidating its position as a trusted strategic partner in the construction industry. In recent years, noise pollution has become one of the main sources of stress in everyday life. Factors such as increased population density and the growing use of private vehicles contribute to aggravating the situation. This system is characterized by its solid and reliable structure, which guarantees a quiet and comfortable environment in all types of buildings. With the Reshaping Plus system, Reha has developed accessories that optimize the mass in acoustically problematic areas, allowing improvements in the weak points of the installation.